Hey, what's up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Bear Player on your Amazon Fire Stick device, step by step. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is move left, slide down, and click on the search option. Once you're on the search screen, you'll see a keypad on your Fire Stick, allowing you to search for any app that's available on the Amazon App Store. Today, we are here for the Downloader app, so go ahead and type Downloader. After typing just a few letters, the Downloader app will appear in the search results. Slide down and click on it. Now click on the bright orange Downloader icon. Here, you'll see the option to download and install this app on your Fire Stick device. Press the download button using your remote. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once the Downloader app is installed, we need to give it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. To do that, hold down the home button on your remote for about 2 to 3 seconds. Then move right and click on Settings. From here, move right again and click on My Fire TV. Now, if you see developer options, that's perfect. If you don't see it, don't worry. It's very easy to enable. Just click on About. Then click on your Fire Stick name about 7 times until you see a message saying developer options are enabled. After that, press the back button on your remote. Now slide down and click on Developer Options. Here, turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using an Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, your menu may look a little different. In that case, simply turn on the Downloader app. Now that everything is set up, let's open the Downloader app. Hold down the Home button again, select Apps, and scroll down to the bottom of the list. The most recently installed app always appears at the bottom. Click on Downloader to open it. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask for a few permissions. Click Allow. Then click OK. This is the home screen of the Downloader app. You'll see a menu on the left side and a search bar on the main screen. Click on the search bar by pressing the remote's center button twice. A keyboard will appear on your screen, allowing you to enter a code or website. Today, we are here for the Bear Player application, so enter the downloader code, 845-8122. Then click Go. Wait a few seconds while it connects to the server. Once connected, the app will begin downloading automatically. This may take a moment, depending on your internet connection. After the download is complete, you'll be taken directly to the installation screen. Move right and click on Install. Give your Fire Stick a few moments while the app installs. Once the installation is finished, click Done. Now delete the installation file since we no longer need it. Click Delete, move left, and click Delete again. That's it. Bear Player is now installed on your Fire Stick. Hold down the Home button, select Apps, and scroll to the bottom of the list. You'll find Bear Player there. Go ahead and launch the app and start exploring. If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.